You're recording.
You have to record this. I'm drunk and she's taking a piss. So I don't know who's going to the bathroom or not. But you know what? This is a fucking Tuesday. Yeah. You know what, Sam? I fucking love you.
I love you.
I fucking love you.
I love you too.
That was like when I greased you when you were high.
You know what? I think that was like your one.
What do you have to say?
Fuck you.